3D modeling programs. 3D modeling is the process of developing a mathematical representation of any surface of an object, in 3 dimensions via specialized software. The product is called a 3D model. Choosing the right 3D modeling software is the essential because it helps you to realize creative ideas with a minimum of fuss. Finding the best 3D modeling software is not an easy task. To help you choose the right one, we have included suites of 3D modeling programs targeted to every need, starting from 3D modeling beginners to experienced professionals. Slicing programs. The 3D models must be first sliced into layers, since the 3D printer prints out model layer by layer. The slicing algorithm plays a very important role in the 3D printing process. The most common technique for slicing is the produce contour data from STL files. The software then generates the tool path the printer will use for printing. Most slicing software will have a print preview function to help you prevent print failures. 3D printers. You can use 3D printers to create everything, from toys to prototypes. These days, some people are even using 3D printers to churn out protective gear, related to the coronavirus pandemic. And with that kind of flexibility, it's no surprise that 3D printers have found a place in classrooms, design shops, and even homes of hobbyists and makers. But with a wide range of users comes an even wider range of printers. 3D printers come in all shapes and sizes, with prices ranging from a couple €100 to 4-figure price tags.